over 21 million views on Shorts, how much does this creator actually earn? And not just that, take a look at the insane views this channel gets on almost every single short. They upload history-related short videos, and with just 139 uploads, technically 138 shorts, since one is a long-form video that crossed 1.8 million views, this channel has gained more than 490,000 subscribers. Now, for those who think the channel isn't monetized, just open the comments section. You'll see the thanks option, which clearly means the channel is monetized. According to Social Blade, this creator earns almost $39,000 every single month just from AdSense alone. In this tutorial video, I'm going to break down step-by-step how you can make these kinds of shorts and grow your channel overnight. From channel creation to branding, from finding the best script to turning it into a final video, all using free tools in one single video. So keep watching, don't let this golden opportunity slip away. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Now, creating a YouTube channel isn't a big deal at all, but the real question is, how do you create a channel that can actually make or break records? Nowadays, there's a myth spread by so-called YouTube gurus that there'll be shadow banned if you upload a video on the same day you create your channel, or if you don't wait at least a week before posting. Well, let me tell you, and these are just myths, nothing more. What you really need is to build a channel that stands out from the crowd. And for that, we're going to use AI. First, we need a channel name. Something short, unique, and easy to remember. For this, I used ChatGPT and pasted a simple prompt. By the way, all the prompts that I use or will use in this video are collected in a PDF, which I've uploaded on my Google Drive. So make sure to download it using the link in the description. After pasting the prompt, just hit enter, and ChatGPT will instantly generate 30 channel names. Pick the one that fits you best. I personally went with the fourth name here. Once we have the name, the next step is a logo. For that, simply go to the document, copy the second prompt, and paste it back into ChatGPT. You'll see a space where you need to add the channel name you already selected. Just copy it from above, paste it here, and then click enter. ChatGPT will start processing your request, and in less than a minute, it will generate a logo that looks super good and really eye-catching. Now just click the download option and save it on your device. Next, let's move on to creating the actual channel. Head over to YouTube, click on the sign in button, and then select Create Account. Here, choose for my personal use, click Next, and now paste your chosen channel name. Hit Next again, fill in a few other basic details, and your channel is ready to go. Once it's created, simply click on Customize Channel, and you'll be redirected straight into YouTube Studio. From there, click on the Upload option. Upload your new AI-generated logo, save it, and then publish. And finally, our channel is live. No fancy name, no expensive logo, all generated completely with AI. But of course, the most important part is still missing. We need videos to upload on this channel. Don't worry, because we're going to make those too, using free AI tools. For making a video, the very first thing we need is a compelling script. For that, simply go to the document, scroll down, and you'll find the third prompt called Channel Analysis. Now just copy this entire prompt from there and paste it directly into ChatGPT. Here in the given space, you will need to paste the reference channel name. To do that, simply open the reference channel, copy their channel link from here, and then paste it into the prompt. After that, just hit enter, and ChatGPT will immediately start analyzing the channel. It will provide us with details like what type of content the channel is creating, which videos are the most popular, what the average RPM is, and finally, a complete summary of the channel itself. Honestly, we don't really need this step, but to make ChatGPT fully understand what we want, it becomes crucial. Now, ChatGPT has finally analyzed the channel and given us all the details. Next, go to the document and copy the fourth prompt. Once you paste this fourth prompt from the Google Doc into ChatGPT, after hitting enter, ChatGPT will again start generating 5 topic ideas on which you can create a video. And within seconds, you'll have them ready. Just go through each topic and choose the one that you feel fits best. For this tutorial, I decided to go with the very first one. Now that I've chosen the topic, the next step is a compelling script that really stands out in the crowd. For that, I created a unique prompt designed to give you a script with a strong starting hook and mystery flowing throughout the entire narration. So, simply copy this 5th prompt from here and paste it into ChatGPT. In the space provided, paste your chosen topic. Just copy it from above and drop it here, and then hit enter. ChatGPT will instantly generate a fully hook-driven script in one engaging paragraph. Now we finally have our script, but we still need a voiceover. And for that, all you need to do is copy this complete script from here and head over to 11 Labs, which is totally free to use. Once you're here, simply paste your copied script. And now we need to choose the perfect voice for our videos. To do that, we'll filter the voices and select the one that suits best. First, click on Voices, and you'll see multiple options available, but we need to filter them properly. So click on Filter, then choose English under the language option. After that, select the first two options from here, then choose High Quality, select Male, and finally pick Middle Age. Now click on Apply Filters, and you'll instantly get multiple voice options to choose from. Simply listen to several voices and pick the one that you like the most. Once you're satisfied, click on the plus icon, and this voice will be added to your voice library. Now click on Text-to-Speech, and then click on Voices, and choose the voice you just added. Once done, make sure your script is already pasted, and then click on Generate Speech. In just a few seconds, it will produce the voiceover for you. Finally, click on the download option, and your voiceover is ready to use. Now, the main video starts from here because this is where we dive into the actual video creation process. We already have our script, and now we need visuals to bring it to life. For that, simply go back to the document and copy the 6th prompt, which is specially designed to generate image prompts for every single line of your script. Paste it into ChatGPT, hit enter, and after analyzing for a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you proper image prompts line by line. Now that we have our image prompts, the next step is generating the images. To do this, first copy the first prompt from here, then open Leonardo AI. There you'll see the prompt box. Just click on it and paste your copied prompt. Right next to it, you'll see the model option. So click on it and you'll find many models available. I tried almost all of them, and after testing, I finalized the second one, called Lucid Realism. So simply click on that, then close the Model tab. Below, you'll see the Image Dimensions option. Click on Custom, select the 9:16 option for vertical videos, and then close this as well. Once everything is set, just click on Generate, and in a few seconds, Leonardo will give you 4 images completely free. Your task now is to carefully go through each of the images and choose the one that you like the most. Once you decide, simply click on the download option and save it. In the same way, copy the next image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Leonardo AI, and generate the images again. Repeat this process for all the prompts until you have generated and downloaded every single image you need. I have already downloaded all of mine, and now that part is complete. So with our script and visuals ready, most of our work is done. Now it's time to move on to the final step, which is video creation. Now, to convert images into video, there are many tools available in the market, but since you are following me, I'll show you how to do it completely free. First, simply go to the website called artlist.io. Once you're on the site, click on Start for Free, then click on Sign Up here. You can enter any name, any Gmail, and any password because this website doesn't ask for OTPS or verification. That means you can create as many accounts as you want without any restrictions. Once you're signed in, click on the image and video option, and you'll be redirected to the main dashboard. Now simply click on the video icon showing here, and then start adding your images. Just click on it and upload your first image. Once you add it, you don't need to enter any prompts because the tool automatically detects the image and gives you a suggested prompt. You can edit these prompts if you want, but honestly, the default ones are already pretty good. Next, just click on Animate, and right below it, the tool will start generating your video. And in exactly 1 minute, it will give you a complete video. Now click on it and you'll see how beautifully the image has been converted into a video. But here's the trick. When you try to download, it asks you to subscribe. So what you need to do is very simple. Just double-click on the video, then click on the option Save Video As, and save it directly to your files. Repeat the same process with all of your images. Convert them one by one into videos and download each of them. And once this is done, we move to the final stage, editing them together in any free video editor. With that, our entire work is complete, and we have a full video ready to publish. Now for editing, I personally use CapCut. So simply open it, and then click on Import Elements. Import all the videos you just generated along with the voiceover you downloaded from 11 Labs. Once everything is imported, drag the voiceover into the timeline. Now click on the voiceover track and carefully delete all the unnecessary pauses to make it smooth, clear, and fast. After that, start adding the video clips one by one according to the timeline. Play the voiceover, match the video with the narration, and trim out any extra or unwanted parts from the clips. Repeat this process for every single video so everything flows perfectly. Next, go back to the start of the timeline. Add one keyframe at the beginning and another one at the end. Increase the video size slightly so it creates a clean zoom-in animation. Apply the same process to all your clips. And once done, the video will feel much more dynamic and engaging. Now simply click on the captions option. Choose a caption style that you like and then click on Generate. Once the subtitles are created, make them a little bigger and place them in the middle of the video so they're easy to read. That's it. Everything is done. Now just click on Export, choose High Quality, and export the final video. And now the only step left is uploading it to your channel. My work ends here, but your journey begins. Until then, good luck. Bye-bye.